Hello everyone, today we will talk about three most valuable coin. The first 1 yen 1957 Japanese coin. This coin is made of aluminum. And this one, yeah, this one is the aluminum coin. This coin holds incredibly, both historically and monetarily. You will find out how much your 1957 coin worth. The 1 yen, and that's 1 yen. Yeah, yun, 1. Number 1, 1 yen. The 1 yen coin in Japan passed postwar history introduced in 1955. This coin is made from aluminum. Aluminum symbolized the economic resurgence in World War II. This coin is small and lightweight, a symbol of growth and prosperity. The obverse, you will find the denomination written in the Japanese kanji, reading 1 yen by the year 1957. So guys, this is the 1 yen coin of Japan, one of the most valuable coin in Japan. So now the next coin is this one. This coin, we'll talk about this coin. Okay. So we're now exploring and fascinating a 1969 Japan 5 yen. The coin has a hole. This unique coin with hole at the center of the center of the carries not only historical but also cultural symbolism. The 5 yen coin is one of Japan's most iconic coins from other. This coin worldwide, the hole in the center, this one, the hole in the center. These features makes it easily symbolized and making the coin lighter and convenient to handle. The hole is not the only thing that makes the 5 yen special. The design symbol of the Japan economy and culture. So guys, this is the second coin of Japan. One of the most valuable coin. Yeah. There's a hole at the center of the coin. Now we'll talk about the third coin, this one. The third coin. And this one. Hmm, 10 yen. As we continue, the 1961 Japan 10 yen coin that may be worth. In this, you will discover the value of the coin. The 10 yen coin in Japanese currency, since its first minting in 1951, made from bronze. This coin was designed to reflect Japan's rich and cultural heritage. On the overside of the coin, you will see an impressive of the phoenix of the Bioten Temple, and this one, Bioten Temple, a stunning architectural landmark, Aneji Kyoto, the Huan. The temple is considered one of Japan's national and elegant portrayal. This coin serves as a reminder of the country's history on traditional. The coin shows the value of 10 yen written in Japanese kanji with the year of the coin. So guys, this is it, all of them. So by the way guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.